All right, guys, show of hands. How many of you save abs for last and then skip? Leave your comments below. I won't judge too harshly. Come on, guys. The old saying that abs are creating in the kitchen is only half of the equation. Just like any other muscle group, if you want abs that pop, you need to train them and not just with floor crunches. So here are my top 3 hacks to help you build a well-defined six-pack.
You don't even have, you have a 4-pack.
Shut the fuck up. Hack number 1, first, understand how the abs work. Guys, your core is a complex group of muscles that have more than one function. They don't just help you flex your torso. They're also responsible for bending, twisting, resisting bending and twisting, resisting extension, as well as keeping your spine stable. So if all you're doing for abs training is crunches, we've got some work to do. Try adding exercises like wood choppers, ab pull downs, bicycle crunches, side bends, and knee raises to your abs training. Also, add weight or resistance whenever you can. Your abs are strong and recover fast, so don't be afraid to really push yourselves with these exercises. Hack number 2, get your breathing under control. Guys, breathing in or out at the wrong time can really mess with your abs training. Now, when you squat or deadlift, I've told you in the past to take in a breath before each repetition and hold it the entire time to help brace your core. Well, we want to do the exact opposite here. The entire point of bracing your core is so that you don't fall into spinal flexion during your reps. But to train your abs, we need extension and flexion to maximize how hard we're training with every single repetition. So with that in mind, I want you to exhale on every repetition, regardless of the exercise that you're doing, and inhale during the extension. I'd also like you to take it one step further and try to flex your abs as you crunch as well. This technique alone will take your training to a whole new level. And now before we get to the 3rd and final hack, be sure to like the video if you enjoy quick and straight to the point tip videos. Drop a comment below to help boost the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that so you never miss a new video upload. And the 3rd and final hack, add more volume to your abs training. This hack will be great for those of you who've said you tend to skip out on your abs training at the end of your workouts. This is because the cool thing about abs is that unless you're doing an exercise that requires a lot of core control, like squats, deadlifts, bent over rows, or a military press, you can easily superset abs with the other exercises in your workout. For example, let's say you're training your biceps with arm curls. Instead of just resting for 90 seconds doing nothing, drop to the floor and hit a set of sit-ups, or maybe even do some hanging knee raises. Something is better than nothing, guys, and if you know you're gonna skip, then supersetting is a much better choice. I'd also recommend training with higher sets and reps. For example, instead of a traditional 3 sets of 8 reps split, think bigger than that. Adopt something more along the lines of 5 sets of 20 to 25 reps to really feel the burn. But more volume doesn't necessarily mean more sets and reps for a specific workout day. It could also mean more sets across your entire week. For a lot of you, having just maybe 2 ab exercises at the end of your workout a few times a week is all you need to make a difference in finally being able to see your abs pop. Personally, I like to alternate my days where day 1 is focused more on the entire rectus abdominis, so exercises that place emphasis on the upper and lower abs, and day 2 is focused more on obliques and lower abs. Then I repeat the same thing for days 3 and 4. Now, if you need help finding the right exercises to target your abs, just go to my website, Muscular Strength, and use the exercise selection tool. Here you can click upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, and the site will populate a list of exercises for you to choose from. Just click this link right here to use the exercise selection tool, and if you missed any of the previous videos in my 3 hacks series, you can get caught up by clicking this playlist link right here. And as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys.